literal equations today? Me too. Are you super excited, guys? Yeah! Okay. Number 7. Energy and mass are related by the formula. This doesn't really even matter. The formula doesn't really matter. All you need to know is what you're solving for. So it says, which equation finds m? So we're going to rearrange E equals mc squared to get m by itself. So taking a look at it, I have this c squared here, because remember, I got to get m by, my calibration's a little off, but my m is being multiplied by c squared. So what's the opposite of multiplication? Division! Okay, so we're going to divide by c squared. And what we do to one side, we got to do to the other side. So, my c squares cancel on my right-hand side, leaving me with m is equal to e over c squared. That looks like a rough e, but you get it. It's struggling. But you see how my m is now by itself?
Yeah.
Am I done?
No.
Why not?
Because you have to do more steps.
No, I don't.
No.
Is my m by itself?
Yes.
Yeah. So am I done?
Yes.